Have you ever been doing something in life? Maybe playing a game, coding, or even reading a book and just thought, I wish I was better. Well, today, I am going to teach you how to be better. How to be more than better. This is how you become Step 1. Open up a browser. Then, you're going to search Arch Linux download, spelled like this. Hit enter. Then you're going to pick the first option here, Arch Linux downloads. If you look, it's going to show BitTorrent download recommended. We aren't better yet, so we're going to skip that and download it like a normal human being. Scroll down, find HTTP direct downloads. Go to mirror sites listed below, click that, and find a mirror in a country near you. I'm in Canada, so I'm going to pick Yuri.so. This site can't be reached, that's meant to happen. So we're going to hit the back button. I'm going to pick a different one, and here we are. Here's a list of downloads. I'm going to pick the top one. I recommend you do the same. Hit save, wait for it to download. Next step is you're going to need to open up your browser again, unless you kept it open, of course. And then you're going to need to search for Balena Etcher. Hit enter. You're going to go here, and you're going to hit that.
I was gonna do it, but you didn't do it.
And then you're gonna hit download. You're gonna do like select image, select drive, flash, follow the steps, you know. Close your browser. You're gonna turn off your computer, go to another computer, put in the USB, and I'll see you once I do that. Now that you have your computer on with the USB booted, you should be at a menu that looks similar to this. What you're gonna do is use your arrow keys and select Arch Linux Install Medium, enter. It's going to do some stuff. It's going to boot into the Arch ISO. So the first thing is we need internet. If you have Ethernet, you're good to go. If you don't have Ethernet and you've got Wi-Fi, you're going to need to run this cool command iwctl. Then it's going to bring up IWD. You're going to do station list. It's going to list your network devices. You're going to do station WLAN 0 scan. It's going to scan for networks, show available networks. Then you're going to do station, WLAN, whatever your station is from station list, connect, network name, and then my password. Enter. It's going to connect to your Wi-Fi. Afterwards, you can do Control-C to exit. And then next, we're going to run the pacman command. We're going to do pacman syy. It's going to synchronize with the package databases. After that, you're going to do pacman arch install. This is going to download a better arch install. Do Y. Yes. Enter. Alright, I have something to tell you. We are not installing Arch ourselves. If you wanted to do that, you'd probably be following the documentation right now and not watching this video. However, I will show you how to install it using the Arch install. It's 2025, I don't think we need to install it the other way. As long as you don't tell anybody that you installed it this way, everything will be fine. So, you're going to type Arch install, enter. We're going to let it do its thing. We're going to go to mirrors, select regions. Like I said, I'm in Canada, so we're going to select the Canada region. If you're in another country, probably select another country. This configuration. Partitioning, best effort, select your drive. Very important, don't select an SSD or hard drive, or don't select something that's important to you. Make sure it's the correct drive, just because it'll overwrite your previous drive and it'll delete anything on it. So I would highly recommend to make sure that you're selecting the correct drive. After that, you're going to need to select the file system. I'm going to use ext4. However, you could use BTRFS. I wouldn't recommend anything other than these two though. Just BTRFS or ext4. Enter. Back. Go down. Bootloader, grub is good. Host name. Invincible. Root password. Password. Very secure password. Who's gonna guess that? I'm gonna guess it. Username. We'll just do average. Password. We'll copy the password. Should average be a super user? Yes. Confirm and exit. Done. Profile. Type. Minimal. Type. Minimal. Type. Minimal. and then we're gonna go back. We're gonna get audio. We're gonna download Pulse Audio. Note, we're gonna download Pipewire. Don't do Pulse Audio. Pipewire is better. We're gonna do Linux, network configuration, network manager. That's what we're gonna pick. And then we're going to hit install. You're gonna hit yes, and then we will wait. If you see any warnings during the install, just ignore them. Everything's fine. Alright, now that the installation has completed, we're gonna hit no. And then you're just gonna do reboot now. Now that we've rebooted, you should now be at the login page. Here you're gonna type in your user. Mine was average, even though I'm not average because I use Arch. Hit enter and you're gonna type in your password, which should be password because it's very secure. Now, congratulations. You've now successfully installed Arch and logged in. But sudo pacman hyperland password yes. We're gonna download this fantastic package. This is gonna solve all your problems. Alright, Hyperland is now downloaded. So, you might be wondering, what am I supposed to do with this? It's just a black screen with a bunch of text. You're gonna type Hyperland like this, hit enter. And here we are. We have a desktop. There's one more thing that we're gonna do though. You're gonna do sudo pacman s neofetch. You're gonna type in your password again, you're gonna do yes, you're gonna download this. Then you're gonna run neofetch. This is very important. You're gonna grab your phone, you're gonna open up the camera, take a photo, and you're gonna post this on Reddit because you are now an Arch user. You are now better than the average PC user. Congratulations and have a great day.